And this is semifinal 2, as you can plainly see there. And here we go. Oh, we should identify, we'll remind you who the contestants are. So in alphabetical order, closer to the far end of the stage, that's Samuel Goodman, who's also an 8th grader from Hyde Park Middle School in Nevada. I think he lives in Las Vegas. And next to him is Matthew Doyle from Evergreen Valley High School in California, from the northern part of the state. And Andrew Wong from Adlai Stevenson High School in Illinois. And Moses Schindler is clapping with a blue finger from the Lou Gordon Watkins High School in Missouri. And then next to him is Justin Yu from Texas, from Williams High School in Texas. And then Adeline Chong, who welcomed us earlier, from Patrick Crest Academy in California. All right, so like I said, there's no practice question. This is going to be the real thing. Here we go. Everyone have pens there? We hope so. Carmen Sandiego stole the first edition copy of one of the early seminal texts in number theory, Discussions Arithmeticae, from the author's university library in Göttingen. Who wrote that? Is it Leonard Euler, Pierre de Fermat, Carl Friedrich Gauss, or Gottfried Leibniz? We'll see how many people chose what. 3 people went with Gauss and 3 went with Fermat. And we'll see what the correct answer is. It was Gauss. Very good. Oh. Justin's very happy about that. Andrew's kind of relieved about that, it looks like. So Justin, why were you really wondering about it? And so why are you so happy?
It was either Gauss or Fermat, and I thought that like the library name, well, like a town where the library held sounded kind of German.
Yeah, it's going to do a lot too.
Yeah.
And so, or we just, because when we were in Word, we couldn't find the umlaut, or couldn't find the accent aigu and chose umlaut instead. But it actually should be there. So that's a good way of figuring out, and whoever else got it, probably they figured it out. That's good. And I think we have a little explanation about that from Kelsey.
Go ahead with the video.
Kelsey will introduce the 11 o'clock show. He's right here.
Hello, I'm Kelsey Houston-Edwards. I am a math graduate student at Cornell University and the former writer and host of PBS Infinite Series. The last question was, who wrote Dispositions Arithmeticae? And the answer is Carl Friedrich Gauss. Gauss, who lived from 1777 to 1855, pretty much invented math. Well, not quite, but he pioneered ideas in many areas of mathematics and physics, especially number theory and algebra. The book Dispositions Arithmeticae is now seen as having created number theory as a systematic discipline in its own right, both by structuring the ideas and proving major theorems. There are dozens of mathematical things named after Gauss, not the least of which are the Gaussian distribution, Gaussian curvature, the Gauss-Bonnet theorem, Gauss-Jordan elimination, and 3 different statements, each called Gauss's lemma. Gauss is also the subject of one of the most famous pieces of mathematical lore. As the story goes, when Gauss was a schoolboy, his teacher gave them a very boring and time-consuming assignment. Find the sum of the natural numbers from 1 to 100. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, and so on. Clever Gauss quickly realized that he could pair up the numbers, the first with the last, the second with the second to last, and so on. Each pair sums to 101, and there are 50 pairs. So the total sum is 101 times 50, which is 5,050. Actually, there's no good historical evidence that ever happened. The story is likely at least partly fiction. Gauss probably didn't suddenly devise such a clever solution. Math is usually the product of hard work and careful thinking and time. But there's one part of the story that's definitely true: the math. What Gauss supposedly realized was a specific instance of a general formula. The sum of the numbers from 1 to n is n plus 1 times n divided by 2. And to me, that's the most amazing part of the story. What appears at first to be a long, tedious calculation, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 blah 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 plus 99 plus 100, can be solved using a simple pairing argument and an elegant formula, 101 times 100 divided by 2. And that's mathematics at its finest. Gauss, the hero of our possibly fictitious story, is fighting against his teacher's boring menial tasks and defending mathematical beauty.